Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will demonstrate how to restrict raw material issues beyond job order requirements during the production process in Logic ERP. So let's get started. Let's proceed with generating a job order. You can choose whether the process is handled by an internal worker or an external party. Let's proceed by selecting an internal worker. Select the worker name and then enter the item to be produced along with its respective quantity. And save the job order document. Let's proceed to the next entry, issue for processing, first process. Select the worker name. Then select the process to be initiated. Select the relevant job order from the list. As you can see, the job order has been retrieved. Let's save this document. Next, the raw material is issued against the issue for processing the first process document. For the same, head to the raw material issues against the job order internal module. Select the worker name and select the process against which the raw material will be issued. Select the job order and corresponding production issue. Then press the F8 key on your keyboard to calculate and retrieve the required raw materials. Next, click on Refresh. The system will fetch and display the raw materials linked to the selected job order and production issue. Select the raw material and click on Save. The raw material has been retrieved for the selected process. Now, let's attempt to increase the raw material quantity and save the document. Currently, the system allows the document to be saved even with excess quantity, as no restriction has been applied yet. Now, we will learn how to apply the restriction. To do this, open the configuration and go to the raw material issue settings section. Set the Compare Issues Against BOM option to Job Order-wise BOM defined. Then enable the checkbox for Do Not Allow Issues Beyond BOM Scope. Finally, save the configuration. Let's observe its impact while generating the raw material issue document. Select the worker name and select the process. Then select the job order and corresponding production issue. Then press the F8 key on your keyboard to calculate and retrieve raw material. Click on Refresh. Select the items and click on Save. The raw material has been retrieved for the selected process. Now, let's attempt once again to increase the raw material quantity and save the document. As you can see, when we try to save the document with a quantity exceeding the job order-wise BOM limit, a validation window appears. This notification alerts the user that the transaction cannot proceed because the issued quantity is greater than the BOM allowance, in accordance with the restriction we previously configured. In this case, the system permits saving the document only when the original raw material quantity is entered. This is how restricting raw material issues beyond job order requirements helps maintain usage, prevent excess consumption, and ensure accurate production costing.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.